Hello everyone, this is Mudra Surve and we are going to learn on the subject electrical and electronics technology. This subject is in syllabus of first year chemical engineering diploma. So our unit is electric and magnetic circuit. So as we know the what is electric and magnetic circuit, okay. So in electric circuit the current will flow or electric current will flow in a closed path, or in case of magnetic circuit the magnetic flux will flow in a closed path. So this is nothing but your electric and magnetic circuit. So in this unit we are going to first see the what are the parameters of electric and magnetic circuits, then the difference between electric and magnetic circuits. So first is EMF. EMF is nothing but electromotive force. Okay, so it is the force responsible for flow of electron and holes. So we can call it as a electromotive force or EMF. EMF is measured between end point of source when no current flows through it, and voltage measured between of any 2 points in closed circuit. EMF is generated by electrochemical cell, dynamo, photodiode, whereas voltage is caused by an electric and magnetic field. So electromotive force, it is responsible for flow of electron and holes. Now next is current. Now in electric circuits, as we know that when we apply the voltage, then there is a flow of electron will cause. Okay, so current is nothing but the flow of electric charge carriers. So we can call it as a current. So as we know the unit of current is ampere, means 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb of electric charge. So when hole pass from positive to negative, electron travel from negative to positive. So it is the opposite direction of holes and electrons. So when electric charge carriers are flow, then it will cause the current. The next is potential difference. So potential difference, it is nothing but the difference between points that represent the work involved or the energy released in the transfer of unit quantity of electricity from one point to other. So it is nothing but the potential difference, or we can it denoted by del V. Okay, del V, it is nothing but the potential difference. So unit of potential difference, as it is a difference between the voltage, so we can call this unit is volt. So 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. The next is the power. And the power is nothing but in electrical circuit, power is a rate at which work being done. Okay, so at what rate the work is being done, we can call it as a power. Power is the rate of the transfer of energy. So power is produced by generator and supplied by the batteries. So what is the formula for power? So power is equal to voltage into current. Okay, so it is unit is watt. Now next is energy. So electric energy is caused by moving electric charges called electron and holes. So faster the charge move electrical energy, more electrical energy they will carry. So amount of energy, okay. So amount of energy depends upon that speed of the carriers. So faster the charge carriers will move, then more energy they will carry. So energy, it is nothing but power into time, or the unit of energy is joule. Then next is MMF. Now what is MMF? So MMF is the magnetomotive force. Okay, so it is the driving force which produce the magnetic flux. MMF is nothing but magnetomotive force which produce the magnetic flux. The magnetic field intensity is denoted by MMF. So magnetomotive force is equal to N into I, where N is nothing but a number of turns. So these turns are there, we can call it as a N, or I is nothing but the current through the coil. So magnetomotive force is given by N into I. N is nothing but your number of turns and I is your current. The unit of magnetomotive force is ampere turns, that is AT. Current in ampere and N's number of turns are turns. So AT is nothing but the units of MMF. So magnet is a piece of solid substance which exhibit a property of attracting small pieces of material. So we all know that magnet is a substance which have property to attract the small material such as iron or steel. Okay, so small piece of iron and other material. So it's having the types, that is natural magnet or electromagnet. Okay, so natural magnet means what? It's have properties of magnetism are present in these magnets are naturally. Okay, so naturally properties of magnetism are present, so we can call it as a natural magnet. Now what is electromagnet? So man-made magnet formed by passing electric current through the insulated wire wounded on a certain magnetic field. So it is nothing but the man-made magnet. So by passing electric current through the insulated wire wounded on a certain magnetic material, so we can call it as an electromagnet. Now what is magnetic field? So this is the field, or we can say the region near magnet within which the effect of magnet is felt. So this we can call it as a magnetic field. The next is magnetic flux. The total number of lines of forces in magnetic fields are denoted by phi, or we can say as a magnetic flux. So yes, this is the image for magnetic field. This is the magnet north and south pole, and this is the region where charged particles were move. Okay, so when a positively charged particles move in uniform magnetic field, then the direction of the velocity of particle is perpendicular to the field. The magnetic force always acts a direction perpendicular to the motion of the charges. So the space of the region around the magnet with which magnet force is exerted on a other magnet is called as a magnetic field. So what is meant by magnetic field? The space, or we can say the region around the magnet. Okay, here we can see that the region around the magnet within which magnetic force is exerted. Okay, so we can call it as a magnetic field. Now magnetic force means, the magnetic force is the force of attraction or repulsion that arises between electrically charged particles due to their motion. So magnetic force is nothing but the attraction or repulsion between the electrically charged particles. Magnetic force between two moving charges may be described as the force exerted upon their charge by magnetic field created by the other. This force causes the magnets to attract or repel from one another. Electric forces exist among the stationary electric charges. Both electric and magnetic forces exist among moving electric charges. So magnetic force we can denote it as a H. Then magnetic flux density is nothing but denoted by B. And the relation is B is equal to mu into H. So now we are going to see the next is right hand thumb rule, then next is Faraday's law. So we'll see in the next video.